Here's a certified 2020 Mercedes-Benz CLA. The curves seduce your eyes and the sharp lines hold your gaze. When you get a taste of the performance, you'll know dreams do come true. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Streaming audio, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, aluminum wheels, auto shift manual transmission, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, voice activated climate controls, front wheel drive, configurable instrument gauges, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.